so many people show up for this. It's just, there's so many different vendors that show up. And I'll tell you, our fire district is so awesome about the people that support us and donate. So I have that opportunity to come in, see the vendors, see the different displays, educate the public. It's about education, it's about the community coming together, and people look forward to this every year.
At this point in time, they're ready to make entry. Payne will come through. He's going to do an initial flow. He's going to flow water.
We're out here to support our local fire department. My great-grandfather was a fire chief of his community fire department, and so it's extra special. We think it's really important, and we just appreciate our firefighters and our first responders so much.
We got the SWAT, the big SWAT truck, the MRAP. We got fire truck rides. I've got a place we can spray the fire hose.
Putting on your gear, that's something that kids usually get pretty excited about, to see how that's done. And then I've never seen, and I don't think it's been demonstrated, actually extricating a victim through a window.
Well, I just learned that most of them are volunteers, and that they all have day jobs during the day, and then they also have to come here and learn everything about their job in volunteering here.
A lot of families, a lot of kids been giving out a lot of small rings for Halloween safety tips on how to stay safe when they're trick-or-treating. We've also been talking about our Citizens Academy that's coming up next week. We got 7 spots open. Looking for some adults in the area to join our academy.
You are safe. That's awesome. Yes. Awesome.
What our troop is doing at our table is we have these little forms that people can fill out on the backside. There is a grid that they can make their housing plans on, or like the floor plans of their house. So that way they can follow the paths that they make there to figure out what a safe escape route would be from their house in the event of a fire.
You gotta crawl underneath the smoke. 1, 2, 3.
It has the 2 rooms that we build with a door in between. We put a child's room on the left and a living space on the right, and we ignite the furniture on the right-hand side to illustrate that a door being closed can prevent smoke and, more importantly, fire. So one side of the space actually becomes unsurvivable, if you will, but the room that is protected by the closed door, you can survive in there until a firefighter can help you get out.
We're a face, we're not just a badge, we're having fun. They know they can call us if there's a need for it, 911. We're gonna show up, we're people. It's all about building those relationships.
It is about 65 pounds of gear that you're wearing.
This is a second job on top of our full-time job, and it requires a huge time commitment, a lot of training. We have to do shifts, and to just get the simple thank yous just means a tremendous amount for all of us, and then the donations we get means a tremendous amount as well.